just shot my second deer. We're gonna go look for it.
Let's go see if we find it. Be careful with over this rock wall, honey.
Okay.
Stop right there and let me go.
That's probably where the deer came in from. Oh my gosh!
Did it again.
Yes. Exactly what I said up there. Yes. She's big. Never know.
Taylor Ann Townsend, 10 years old, and already shot her second deer. Amazing. Taylor, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you for taking me hunting. This is
What it's all about.
Experience. Wow. Really good.
Taylor gets it done again with the Wyndham and an Attleball.
Is that a good shot, Dad?
It's absolutely perfect. Holy smoke, you did it again.
Another perfect shot.